Hello guys, welcome to my video. Today's video I will help you how to fix this account can no longer use WhatsApp due to spam problem. Guys, if your WhatsApp number is banned from WhatsApp, how to create your account again on your WhatsApp. So guys, follow my steps and don't forget to subscribe my channel. First of all, go back here and turn on then off airplane mode. Go to your device settings, click on more connections and disconnect VPN if you have connected any kind of VPN. Go back here and if you have any third-party app like GB WhatsApp app, then uninstall it and go to your Play Store and App Store and download official WhatsApp. Download WhatsApp Messenger official WhatsApp for business app and create your account on this WhatsApp. If your problem still not fixed, then go to your Chrome browser and here search WhatsApp support. Open this first website, scroll down, click on contact us. Click on first one and click on it if your account was banned. Scroll it down and click on no and click on this solution does not work and write here an appeal. Hi dear WhatsApp team, please unban my number and enter your number. After entering, write thanks, and after writing this appeal, click on submit. After submitting it of 24 hours, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like video. Do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.